Hi, my name is Khalid Morshid, and in this video we're going to talk about the comparison between the OCI NV and Fosagro fertilizers companies in terms of revenue and competition and in regards to the natural gas performances. So introduction, OCI NV is one of the top producers and distributor of nitrogen fertilizer, which is a base natural gas and industrial chemical based in Netherlands. For Fosagro, it is a Russian company that is specialized in global vertically integrated phosphate-based fertilizer and nitrogen fertilizer both. So analyzing the OCI NV financial statement, OCI NV demonstrated significant volatility in its profitability metrics over the past 5 years. Key indicators such as return of equity and return of assets and income tax margin revealed persistent challenges. Return of equity was negative in most years, except for a peak of 36.45% in 2021, which was followed by the sharp decline in 2022 and 2023. Return of assets and income margins showed a similar pattern, peaking in 2021 but failing to sustain momentum. Debt ratios were alarmingly high, with total debt to equity exceeding 400% in 2020 and the remaining elevated, underscoring OCI NV's reliance on leverage. For Fosagro, it exhibited more consistent and robust profitability. Return of equity and return of assets were positive all the years, positive all the years, with a peak of return of equity of 102% in 2022, reflecting excellent shareholder returns. Income margins remained strong with a high of 32.43% in 2022, highlighting efficient cost management and market positioning. Debt ratios were moderate and improved over time, suggesting financial stability compared to OCI NV. The comparison highlighted Fosagro's clear superiority in profitability and financial health, with the OCI NV's performance was more erratic and risk-prone. For the revenue performance, OCI NV's revenue peaked at 6.32 billion in 2021, but experienced a sharp decline to 96 billion by 2023. The volatility indicates vulnerabilities in market demand, operational execution, or pricing strategies. Its relatively small revenue scale further limits its competitiveness against the larger players such as Fosagro. Fosagro's revenue growth was consistent and substantial, reaching a peak of 569 billion in 2022 before moderating to 440 billion in 2023. The company demonstrated resilience during periods of market downturns and maintained strong revenue levels supported by its operational scale and efficiency. When comparing the two companies, Fosagro's scale of operation over 60 times larger than OCI NV in most years underscores its dominance in the industry. OCI NV's smaller size and revenue volatility placed it as a significant disadvantage in terms of competitive positioning. While the impact of natural gas is a key cost factor for both companies, fluctuated dramatically during the analysis period, rising from $2 in 2022 to $9 in 2020 to $9 in 2022 before falling to 2.82 in 2023. OCI NV's closely tracked natural gas price trends with a significant growth during the price surge in 2021, but sharp declines thereafter. The company struggled to maintain revenue during the peak of prices of 2022 and the subsequent decline in 2023, highlighting vulnerability to cost fluctuations and market conditions. Fosagro demonstrated greater resilience to natural gas prices volatility. Its revenue grew consistently even during high price periods and moderate only slightly in 2023. This performance underscores this ability to manage costs effectively and adapt to changing market conditions. Fosagro's grow stronger adaptability to compared to OCI Envy suggests superior operational strategies and market positioning, enabling it to weather external pressure more effectively. For the key insights and recommendations, OCI Envy faces several challenges such as high financial risk, excessive leverage, and negative profitability metrics signal a need for restructuring and cost control. Revenue volatility, decline in revenues highlighted the dependency on favorable market conditions and the need for diversification. Strategic, and also strategic focus, OCI and ENV should focus also on niche markets, operational efficiency, and reduce reliance on debt to remain competitive. For Fosagro's performance position it in as a market leader, with a revenue leadership, consistent growth, and large-scale operations provide a strong competitive edge, with operational resilience, effective management of costs and adaptation to market changes before boost Blaster's ability. With also a sustainability, Fosagro should continue leveraging its scale and explore new markets to maintain its dominant position. Well, in the conclusion, analysis revealed a stark contrast between OCI Envy and Fosagro. While OCI Envy struggled with financial volatility, revenue declines, and market pressures, Fosagro displayed strong profitability, consistent growth, and adaptability to Fosagro's superior scale, resilience, and financial health make it clear leader in the industry, while OCI Envy must address the operational inefficiencies and financial risks to remain competitive. This analysis underscores the importance of strategic planning and operational excellence in navigating the industry challenges and sustaining long-term growth. Thank you so much.